How to find downloaded songs in YouTube Music app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find downloaded songs in YouTube Music app. If you have downloaded the song in YouTube Music and want to find that song, here's how you can do it. First of all, you'll need to open your YouTube Music application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to locate your profile icon or the initial. Simply tap on your profile icon and then you will be presented with this account section. Now in this page, here you will be able to locate different options. From here, you will need to find the downloads option, which you will be able to find under your channel option, represented by an arrow facing downwards. Once you locate this option, simply tap on it and then you will be presented with this interface. Now here you will need to tap on this downloaded songs option and then here you will be able to find the song that you have already downloaded. You can simply tap on it to play it. In case if you would like to remove this song, you may also tap on the three dots icon at the right side of the song and then select remove download option. By doing so, you'll be able to remove this downloaded song. So this is how you can find your downloaded song in YouTube Music app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.